You need to hear this if you're a traveler at heart. Imagine lush greenery, exotic wildlife, and volcanic landscapes. Welcome to Alajuela, Costa Rica's natural treasure trove. First up, bask in the splendor of Poás Volcano National Park. The park's star? A massive steaming crater surrounded by cloud forests. Next, dive into the serenity of La Paz Waterfall Gardens. Picture this, cascading waterfalls and vibrant wildlife all around you. Moving on, don't miss out on Zoo Ave. Not just a zoo, but a rescue center where you can meet Costa Rica's rescued wildlife up close. Ready for a real adventure? Venture into Juan Castro Blanco National Park. Hike through untouched cloud forests and spot rare birds in their natural habitat. Last but not least, wrap up your journey at the Doka Coffee Estate. Sip on some of the world's best coffee right where it's grown. Alajuela isn't just a stopover, it's a destination packed with unforgettable experiences. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your camera, and let Alajuela amaze you.